Doc. I'm Narissa Brumley, the founder of ChiroConnect, and welcome to part 4 of the 2026 Retention and Reactivation Breakthrough for Chiropractors. This 4-part video series has been a blast to make, and thank you so much for being a part of it. Over the past 3 videos, you've seen the shift in what's happening right now as we head into the new year. You've seen what new patient engagement standard actually looks like nowadays. And you've seen the real results. You saw the jump from 46% open rates to 70% monthly, and that's 70% every month. You saw the first send spike where all we did was change from a generic software weekly newsletter to a human first powered by people weekly newsletter that's personalized. And we saw open rates double instantly. And then the last example we saw was the 116 clicks to call that paid for an entire year of our service for this doc. And last but not least, in video 3, you saw the care system that made it all happen. So let me just say this bluntly, 2025 has been an incredible year for us. We doubled, we grew like crazy, we collected insane amounts of data, but heading into 2026, I've never been more confident about what's happening for chiropractic and what we can do for your practice. So because this isn't theory anymore, this is just happening right now in real clinics. Look, everything you saw in this entire series, the engagement jump, the first send improvement, the week, that paid for our revenue, the 2 email sends that paid for the entire year of service. And that's really the care system in motion. So it's not ads, it's not funnels, it's not hacks, it's not posting 7 times, a week on social, just simple weekly human first communication that patients actually respond to. And that's what I'm fired up about in 2026. So here's the honest truth. Most chiropractors will not implement this on their own, not because they don't care, but because they're running a practice. Most of you don't have time to write weekly newsletters, build reactivation campaigns, click behavior, schedule emails, track the performance, and make it look and feel like you. That's where we come in. When you join ChiroConnect, weekly newsletters, monthly check-ins, custom reactivation campaigns, local personalization, they're personalized for you. They look like you, your photos, your events, your niche services, your supplements, your social posts, every send fully done for you. That's how you build a retention machine. Now, I want to tell you something very important. We're closing in on our 2nd year in business, and this has been an unbelievable year for us. But I'm going to say something very clearly. The $199 founders rate ends on December 16th, and it is never coming back. That price literally built this company. It helped us grow, but we cannot sustain this level of personalization at that rate. So every piece of this email system is hand built by human, and going into 2026, that level of support just gets more expensive. So this is it. Once you join, you're grandfathered in forever, but after December 16th, it's gone. And honestly, the timing matters. We're 5 weeks from a brand new year. If there's ever been a moment to activate engagement, fix your retention, and start building consistency, it's right now. I've worked with chiropractors for over a decade with thousands of practitioners, and I've never seen results like this from email. So I'm asking you to make 2026 your best year yet. So if you're thinking this is exactly what my practice needs, but I don't have time to do it myself, then this is literally built for you. Click the button below, join at $199. We'll onboard you, and we'll start emailing in just a few days. So start for $199 per month today. It's that simple. There are no contracts, no setup fees, a 30-day money-back guarantee. You get to see what goes out before it goes out to make sure that it looks and feels like you. What do you have to lose? Or if you still have questions, that's cool. Just book a call with me. I'll walk you through everything personally. Either way, don't wait. The $199, that price is disappearing for good after December 16th. So Doc, let's make this your best year yet. 2026 is waiting on you.